Before buying an electric skillet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Elite Gourmet Ceramic Skillet.
This is the Elite Gourmet 12 by 12 inch ceramic electric skillet. And honestly, the first thing that caught my attention was its sleek dark gray design and that it's PFAS free. Being priced affordably, it promises healthier cooking without toxic chemicals. If you want a safer, hassle-free cooking experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rapid and even heating, thanks to its 1200-watt power, means you can cook everything from pancakes to stir-fried veggies without those dreaded hot spots. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With over 2,000 units sold just this past month, it seems like many people are enjoying it. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it's too small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a family of 6, that extra space might come in handy for you. But if you often host big dinners, you might want to look for something bigger. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-clean option that's safe for your family. Skip this one if you regularly cook for large gatherings, as its size might not cut it. For the price, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the size of the Elite Gourmet bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its extra capacity.
Product number 2, Elite Gourmet Compact Skillet. Next up is the Elite Gourmet EG808, an 8-inch by 8-inch compact skillet that's perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. The first thing I noticed was its lightweight design and the price point, making it a fantastic budget-friendly option. If you want a compact skillet that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The 600-watt power is enough to sear, saute, or fry with confidence. The removable thermostat allows you to adjust temperatures from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're frying eggs or searing meat, you can get it just right. Plus, it holds a 2.5 quart capacity, enough for a meal for 1 or 2. With 2,000 units sold recently, it shows that people are finding it handy. However, some users noted that the low wattage can make it slower for larger items. But honestly, if you're just cooking smaller meals or sides, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for 1 or 2 and need something compact. Skip this one if you often prepare meals for more than that, since the capacity might feel limiting. For its price, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for family meals, with its larger size.
Product number 4, Bella Make and Take Skillet. Next up is the Bella Make and Take Electric Skillet, which is designed with a unique space-saving feature. Priced around $39.99, it first caught my eye because of its clever storage design. If you want something that easily fits in your kitchen without taking up space, this is worth a serious look. What makes this skillet stand out is its 1200-watt power and a large 12-inch surface area, perfect for family meals. The adjustable temperature control up to 400 degrees lets you fry, simmer, or saute to perfection. Plus, the sturdy lid clamps make it ideal for transporting dishes without spills, perfect for potlucks. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction among those who love to cook on the go. However, some users found it a bit heavy, making it cumbersome to lift when full. But honestly, if you're using it for gatherings, the sturdiness can be a benefit. This is perfect for you if you love hosting and need a reliable skillet that's easy to transport. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter and more portable for everyday cooking. Overall, it offers great value for its price. Now, if you want something that combines size with versatility, the next one will impress with its fold-away feature.
Product number 3, Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Skillet. Now, let's talk about the Elite Gourmet EG6203, which is an extra deep 16-inch by 13-inch skillet with a whopping 10.5 quart capacity. Right off the bat, the size is impressive, and it's still reasonably priced. If you want a skillet that can handle big family meals without breaking a sweat, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The 1500-watt power ensures rapid and even heating, so you can cook large batches without worrying about uneven cooking.
The non-stick honeycomb coating and the glass lid mean cleanup is easy, and you can monitor your food without lifting the lid. It's designed to serve 6 to 8 people, making it perfect for family gatherings or meal prep. With over 2,000 sold last month, it's clearly a favorite. Now, some reviewers mentioned that it's bulky to store, but here's the thing. If you often cook for a crowd, the size may be a necessary trade-off for the cooking capacity. This is perfect for you if you frequently host family meals or plan to batch cook. Skip this one if you have limited kitchen space and need something more compact. For the price and functionality, it's an excellent value. If its bulkiness is a concern, let's look at a more space-saving option that still packs a punch.
Product number 5, Presto Fold-Away Skillet.
Finally, we have the Presto 06857, a 16-inch electric fold-away skillet that's versatile and practical. At $89.99, it's a bit pricier, but the features it offers make it stand out. If you want a skillet that doubles as a buffet server and easily stores away, this is worth a serious look. This skillet has 1500 watts power, meaning it can roast, fry, grill, and even bake. The removable base and foldable handles are fantastic for storage, while the non-stick surface ensures easy food release and cleanup. The large capacity is great for parties or family dinners. With 900 units sold recently, it's clear that people appreciate its versatility. Some reviews noted that it can take a bit longer to heat up fully. But here's the thing, once it's warmed up, it delivers excellent cooking results, making it worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you often entertain guests and need a multifunctional skillet. Skip this one if you're after something lightweight and compact. For the quality and functionality, it's a solid investment.
So to recap, we covered 5 great electric skillets: the Elite Gourmet Ceramic Skillet for healthy cooking, the Compact Elite Gourmet for small spaces, the Extra Deep Elite Gourmet for family meals, the Bella Make and Take for portability, and the Presto Fold-Away for versatility. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.